We'll guide you through how to rig characters in Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and ensure you are in the Layout workspace. Go to the top menu and click on File to open your character model. Once your model is loaded, switch to Object Mode and select your character mesh. Next, you need to add an armature, so press Shift+A, go to Armature, and select Single Bone. You'll notice a bone appears in the center of your scene. It's important to align this bone with your character, so switch to Edit Mode with the armature selected. Use the G key to move and the R key to rotate the bone, positioning it inside the torso of your character. Now, you'll want to add more bones to match your character's skeleton. In Edit Mode, select the tip of the bone and press E to extrude, and create a new connected bone. Repeat this process to build out the entire skeleton, including legs, arms, and head. Once your skeleton is complete, switch back to Object Mode. Select your character mesh, then hold Shift and select the armature. With both selected, press Ctrl+P to bring up the Set Parent to menu, and choose with Automatic Weights. This option will bind the mesh to the armature, allowing the bones to control the mesh. Now, switch to Pose Mode with the armature selected, and you can test your rig by selecting individual bones, pressing R to rotate, and observing how the mesh deforms. If any parts of the mesh aren't moving correctly, you can go into Weight Paint mode to fine-tune the influence of each bone. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.